How to create and join new Discord guilds. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. Once you are on your browser, on the searching bar, search for Discord and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now on the left side, you will see plus button. Simply tap on it and select join a server. Once you select that on the searching board, simply type this link. The link will also be available in description. Simply copy it and paste it over here and at last tap on join server. Once you do that, on the left side you will see click here option. Simply tap on it. Then there you will see a lot of options available. If this is available in your region, then there you will see Academy Evil information. Simply tap on it. From here you can easily create your Discord guilds. In this very easy step, you can easily create and join new Discord guilds in your Discord. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.